We're gonna go head over to Noi, which is a proper Chinese Pakistani cuisine. All right, we're gonna go to Noi. This is our entrance to Noi. It's pretty chaotic parking right outside. All right, I see Noi Stir Fry Kitchen. All right, welcome to Noi. We are seated in Noi after a lot of tables and chairs being moved around for a big party. I like our nook. I like our corner. Yeah.
That's a winter menu that has soup, prawns, noodles, and then chicken.
So let's see what is on the full menu, but it is quite packed, quite noisy. When we got in, there were a whole bunch of shuffling of tables.
It was chaotic.
There's a giant party of maybe like 20 people, but we moved our table far away from the restaurant. We're sitting in the corner.
And because they bunched most of the tables together, now this place that we are sitting at is extremely private and noise-free.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna wait for the menu now and let's see what we get to order.
All right, Alia, what do they have?
So there's soup, salads, baos. What's baos?
Shareables, dumplings, sushi rolls, wok chard. I think I'm gonna get something wok chard. Noodles and rice, desserts. A brownie a la mode, because you can get a brownie. They have chow fan, pad thai, lo mein, hakka chow, Singaporean rice, and then teppanyaki, beverages, and special mojito. All right, our first order is here of fries. Actually,
With the house sauce.
I want to try one. Should I try one? All right, thumbs up for the fries. It's kind of weird having fries in an Asian restaurant, but I guess the reason they have fries is you gotta have kids who don't like a lot of hot, spicy food. They go for this. All right, we got the wonton soup. Is this the, no, it's a hot and sour soup. Okay, hot and sour soup, and these are chicken bao. And hot and sour soup. Alia, let's taste test. All right, Alia's gonna try the chicken bao.
Oh my god, that's delicious.
Really?
You have to try this.
Okay, I'm gonna try this next. All right, that's chili kung pao.
Sweet fire, guess what? Sweet.
Alia got sweet fire.
Woohoo!
What is it?
Firecracker.
Firecracker. All right, that one is called Crying Tiger. So we're gonna dig in. Alia, let's start.
I think we have one more coming up, but so far the choices look amazing. They all look really, really good. Let's hope they taste as good as they look.
And the soup was really good.
Soup was excellent.
And chicken bao was really
Yeah,
good.
the appetizer also was really good.
All right, let's dive in. All right, Alia, we just wrapped up our meal at Noi in Lahore, Pakistan. It was a very quick, short video. Check this place out. We came here with a massive birthday party next to us. It's still pretty loud and crowded in here, but the food was delicious.
It is Friday night though, but right now it's just us and one other party, and the whole restaurant is empty. So it is nice, but the food was amazing. Everything that we ordered on our table was really, really good.
And I would recommend get the Singaporean rice. I got the kung pao, that was delicious.
That was amazing.
The soup was great and the bao was great. And that Sufi boy in the mirror practicing his muscles. On that lovely note, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now. All right, we couldn't show you because there were other families here, but we have some takeaway food. They're closing the lights. That was a big party happening here. I do have a buffet, but this is what the restaurant looks like. Yeah, so that was our experience at Noi. And now we are on our way out.